Hello guys, today I will be showing you my greatest creative house in Minecraft. So let us begin. This is my creative world. I will open it now. Okay. It is just actually like Doraemon's and Nobita's house, but it has no room for Nobita. It is almost of gold. It's the top part. It's raining now. I will show you from the ground. Wait, there is my entrance. Here. See my house. There is a door here. What is this? There is a door here. We'll open it. We have pressure plates here. And we have some flower pots, some leaves, some honeycomb. And very special is that the gold behind. And this is our torches. These are some plants. This is a chest. If somebody comes here and he wants to fill something here, so open the chest and put something here inside. This is our crafting table. We can craft anything here. As we are in creative mode, we can craft anything. So this is our entrance. Here we can keep our tools here on this smooth slab. So we'll go inside. Okay, there you can see a lava floor. Yes, a lava floor. Nobita's house does not have a lava floor, but like this he has entrance, and like this he has floor, and here his Nobita's mother and father live. I have made it different. I have made this library. So we'll open it. It's a library here. So nice I have made it. There is iron pressure plate here. There are so many books and glass up, and there is an enchantment table here. Okay, now we will proceed to another room. That is our bedroom. These are some oak buttons. That's only for time pass. See, this is bedroom and this is library. We'll go in this bedroom now. A bedroom has a beautiful color of orange and red carpet. Here are our yellow and orange bed. Here is a slab made just for time pass. Here are 3 crafting tables and 1 chest. It has nothing. Here are 2 furnaces. We can cook items here or make torches from it. Make torches here. Okay. Now this is our library, and this is our ceiling. You know what is ceiling. This will be our kitchen, just like Nobita's house. We go straight, we have kitchen. And for this I have made some doors to escape from here, because if we are here, so it will be a long distance to travel till there to open the door. So I have this door for time pass, just to escape. This is our kitchen, and this kitchen have a very good flooring, and the kitchen has a door, some glass, and some glass here and some glass up in the ceiling. I want to store something in the kitchen, so big kitchen. I have to platform like this here, then a platform here, then I have to take a platform here, then platform here. Oh, I break it. Okay, then platform here, and then like this, we have to make flower pots here, some vessels or buckets here, like this. This is our kitchen. And we'll fly in there now and go up. Hey sheep, how are you? I'll fly up. So you can see I have made a small farm here, and I have some horses, some piggies, some llamas, some sheep, and some cows. So I have made just a small farm here. There are some ender chests here, some gold, some wood, etc. There are some stained glass. Here are also some stained glass. We'll look it from behind. Inside this is our kitchen. As I told, there are so many zombies here, some sheep, animals, Lots of things are there here. Minecraft is very good experience. We can build anything here. I like this game so much that I have played this game 1 or 2 hours since morning. Now it is 5:20 in the PM. I like this game so much. So this was our tour of our dream house that I have made. Oh, Enderman. Okay, so we will end this now. Okay, then till bye bye. Have I missed anything? I think so. No, I have not missed anything. So we'll last time see the entrance of our house, then we'll close this. Okay. So bye bye.